Hey people, look, it's Rusty. It's Rusty. Hey. You know what I mean. He just ran across the keyboard. I got to hold on, so this is not. Got a new. Yesterday got another ringtone for my phone. My newest one. My newest ringtone. And then behind I guess I didn't turn the phone to and I finally got it.
Somebody take me back to the day before this was a job, before I got paid, before whatever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it at Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe yo, maybe I.
Yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And remember, I got a cashier poster. Say hello. uh, Gia.